Hi, I'm Joseph Dank with Plan Simply. Workday Adaptive Planning allows you to easily and effectively do your territory carving inside of the same system that you're able to do your financial planning, as well as your quota allocation modeling. The way Workday Adaptive Planning allows this and why it is so easy to do inside of this platform is because we are able to easily and effectively create rules that allows us to view data from a high level while categorizing highly granular sets of data. As one quick example, as we look at our list of accounts, we can see that we are identifying which market segment an account is based upon the headcount bucket of which that account falls into. In this case, headcount buckets of 1001 to 2000 are identified as mid-market. Now, this can be done on multiple variables. But as an example to show how this works, as we make a potential business decision, that headcount buckets of 1001 to 2000 is going to now be enterprise. As soon as I hit the save button, as you've seen, all of our other dials have updated. And now directly here in our account list, every account that has a 1001 to 2000 as the headcount bucket has been recategorized as an enterprise business segment. So it's just that quick and easy to make adjustments and changes that allows us to set these rules and effectively carve our territories directly inside the platform. So we may start off with a board like this where we actually define segmentation, but typically what we like to quickly do next is look at the theater carving. So from here, as I look at our theaters, let's just focus in on America. We have a few main theaters we're identifying in America. And based on whatever the country is, as you can see here, we're doing the same exact thing to define the rule sets of which theater those countries fall into. This is what allows you to change quickly and easily inside the platform. As you decide, maybe you want to break out a new theater for just Europe or Middle East and Africa, as opposed to MEEA, you are easily able to add that additional dimension value and update your rules, and everything will automatically update and adjust for you and allow you to continue your path of the carve. While we go through those steps of the carve, what we really like to do is, of course, create various variables such as these that help you understand and see that at each stage of your carving process, the data and territories or whatever the segment is in fact truly equitable for your end users. This is another example here of where we see that we have certain regions or certain states that are not yet tagged to any particular regions. As I select down here, I may just add Arizona to the list of our accounts in the West. And as soon as we do that, we see the information update in Arizona is now being categorized as West. And because we have all the facts related to all of those states, we're easily able to quickly look at the scores by region or ACV, TTM by region, or whatever those metrics are that are relevant and important for you. We would continue moving our way along, in this case, actually starting to carve out the territories themselves until we get to the final place where we're actually carving those AEs to patches, which of course circles back together and clearly identifies for us and the AEs what the patch is. And of course, we'll later identify who the sales rep is that will be aligned to that patch, such as in this case, we have Margaret Johnson. We usually create other views for our sales reps to be able to actually log into the system and see clearly what their patch is. As I hit the drop down and select Margaret Johnson here, I can now see all of the accounts that are responsible for her and the information related to them. Thank you very much.